Hello, this video is going to be about how you can create multiple cards from a spreadsheet and how you can copy those cards into Trello. So for this, you have to open Excel sheet in front of you, and also you have to open Trello. As you can see that the Trello board is already open in front of me. Now if I want to add some multiple cards, I will open the spreadsheet here and I will add a few cards here. For example, if I want to create a card which is about idea 1 and I want to expand this from 10th number. So as you can see that I have a list of ideas. Now I will copy that list and I will paste it in the Trello. Open the Trello and I want to paste this list in my in the work list which is about done. You have to select the option which is about add another card and paste. When you paste it, you have to select the option of add card. When you select the option, it will give you two options. If you want to create 10 cards here with 10 other names, you can do it by clicking on create 10 cards. If you want to remain this name to just one card, you can also do that by clicking on just one card. Select create 10 cards. So now you will see that from the spreadsheet multiple cards have been created. Also, if I want to change something in my spreadsheet, for example, I write a final one and expand it. Now I want to copy both lists into the Trello. I will expand this and copy and then add another card and paste. So that's how you can create multiple cards from the spreadsheets into the Trello. Thank you.